Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 2005 Hummer H2 SUT, the truck version. Highly desirable, limited production compared to the SUVs. 69,000 miles, lots of upgraded accessories, including sound system, amp, subwoofer. All runs through the factory steering wheel. Ice cold air, just super clean. Still have the wax marking on the axle, all the barcode decals underneath. Just a solid example. You got the BF Goodrich all-terrain radial TA. 31.5 by 17. Got the enclosed cargo compartment, got the matching spare tire. This does have tow package on it with a trailer brake. Said a lot of the chrome accessories are been added on. Super nice. Super nice. Has the LS2 6.0. Ice cold air, you can see that just dripping out. Halo style headlights. Just very well kept. Actually, my wife has been driving this for about 9 months now, and just super clean. Power seats, heated seats in the front and back. You got a couple extra remotes, your books. You can hook extra auxiliary hookup for the sound system. It's got the Pioneer large screen. Just a thumping stereo if that's what you like. Otherwise, just absolute clarity. Bose speakers. It's just absolutely, all the rubber seals are good. They're not dried out. Paint, hard pressed to find even small chips in this. The rear window does slide down for any of you that are not familiar with the SUT or the Hummers. There we go. We got the sub, a couple of the amps, under lights, the blue lighting. So just a super clean unit. Harder and harder to find them with low miles, but ones that have been taken care of, that haven't been taken off road and tore up, and just a nice clean example. Barcode. Oh, I forgot to share. In the back here, we do have the heated seating in the back, and you do have audio controls for the stereo, and you do have a 12-volt outlet to plug in for anything that would need to be charged. The billet pedals. There's your toe brake system. All the stereo, it runs off the steering wheel. So that's volume 7. Volume 9. I believe it goes up to 40. Unbelievable sound system. drives out fantastic as well. Everything on the vehicle works and functions as it should. Hard to believe that this is now classified as this year as a classic vehicle. It's 20 years old. 20 years old in the classic car world. In car years, the 2025s are out. How time flies. If you'd like to come in, check this out in person, fly into St. Louis International, Lambert, one and the same. I'm more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your flight itinerary. If you want to talk to somebody in person, you can ask for me, Mark, at 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. We'll have about 75 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, help us grow the channel, leave your input, feedback in the comment section below. We'll do anything we can to accommodate any request. Again, you want to talk to somebody in person, 314-346-6039. Or you go to www.westportautocenter.com. Excellent riding, 2005 Hummer, 69,480 miles, ice cold air, great sound system, knee deep in rubber, lots of chrome accessories. It's getting harder and harder to find them like this. Got the good LS2 motor in it. Gets up and goes. www.westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching.